This 2026 Venture RV Stratus SR302VBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, TV antenna, air conditioning, spare tire kit, refrigerator, microwave, oven, external shower, slide-out, water heater, skylight, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV Stratus SR302VBH is 7,420 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.